Malchika Unit Fihits Anaijiak, Unit 39. In this unit, we'll be talking about transport. To ask if a particular form of transport is available, you say, for example, "A bhfuil bus ann fiskar?" Is there a bus in the afternoon? A bhfuil bus ann fiskar? A bhfuil bus ann fiskar?
Gafydd Malishgal, a bhfuil bus ann fiskar go berein.
Ha bus ann ag seach goerin.
Mór an teng.
Ha bus ann ag seach uren. There's a bus at 7 o'clock. Ha bus ann ag seach uren. Ha bus ann ag seach uren.
In the following situations, listen for Catch and Fishing Taxi. Where can we get a taxi?
Gafydd Malishgal, catch and fishing taxi.
Give shiv taxi hawl the shun.
Tapeliv.
Share bear.
Gafydd Malishgal, catch and find me in train good nation.
Gif shiv yn hrein ag caws ar y tri.
Cowser a tree. Platform 3. Cowser a tree. Cowser a tree.
To ask how often there's a boat, for example, you say, "Trícha trích sa bhspáta ann." How often is there a boat? Trícha trích sa bhspáta ann. Trícha trích sa bhspáta ann.
In the following scenes, listen for Da Huras Salah, twice a day. Da Huras Salah. Da Huras Salah. Cehir Tursan, 4 times. Cehir Tursan. Cehir Tursan. And Eranur, on the hour. Eranur. Eranur.
Gafydd Malishgal, jech o trích sa bhspáta am y ffortasgic.
Ha bata awn da hwrys sala. A castel yn jay oedd agos a castel gushia.
Ha sing ma. Yn o'r un gai fi sy'n gael jech o trích sa bhspás awn gan noban. Fwyddi hif minech. Ha bus awn ceir twrsan sy'n fa.
Ha castel gujech yn draste. Cwn ha nava sawn.
Ha bus awn iddyn nwyd.
A navas. The next bus. A navas. A navas.
To ask when a train stops, for example, you say, "Yn by'n tren ystat ag Srilai." Does the train stop at Stirling? Yn by'n tren ystat ag Srilai? Yn by'n tren ystat ag Srilai?
Gafydd Malishgal, yn by'n train sio static Srilai.
Bí statek srílaich agus perst.
To ask where the bus stops, for example, you say, "Cáitim bí an bus seo a stat." Cáitim bí an bus seo a stat.
To check if a form of transport has arrived, you say, for example, "An tánig an bus." Has the bus arrived? An tánig an bus? An tánig an bus.
To respond that it hasn't arrived, you say, "Chatanig." Chatanig. And to say it has arrived, you say, "Hanig." Hanig.
O, ma chrech. Yn danig yn plain haast anna.
Chadanig. Ha I fadawach. Cha fi ysdeg o cedd wydden.
Jeirstio?
Ha je warsten, a kaffakost.
Ha, en dan ik bus first hast.
Ha, ik kuchen gezicht.
Oh, dang it.
Hai fatalach. It's late. Hai fatalach. Hai fatalach.
To check if the boat, for example, has left, you say, Anta galav an bata hast. Has the boat left yet? Anta galav an bata hast. Anta galav an bata hast.
To say it hasn't left, you say Chatagalav. Chatagalav. To say it has left, you use Galav. Galav.
Anta galav an plain hast.
Chatte galav, ha je falav an an jech minetjen.
Jech of fat is ha je torst.
3 gastel na hoerig.
Tapelef.
Gafydd mylisgol, yn dy galaf bat y vreig hast.
Hamid dulich, galav. Galav i ochion fichet minetj. Jech of fatte se hai a torst. How long does it take? Jech of fatte se hai a torst. Jech of fatte se hai a torst. And the answer was 3 gastel na hoerig. 3/4 of an hour. 3 gastel na hoerig. 3 gastel na hoerig.
Bate vreig. The Brodick boat. Ochion fichat minaj. 20 minutes ago.
In the round-up conversation, a family discuss a day out. Listen for Camera Hitchin Aun. How will we go there?
Jema ginge gobel wassa chutje saharnje.
Vik shin ma. Kemmer hit je nou?
Gaishing in trein. Jech of fat is ha torst in trein.
Gaan je vatten? Tjiedag liggen de hietje.
Besyn ma, geef me broek en oede.
Faaltje go unit da ichet. Unit 40. Our theme in this unit is stating preferences. To ask what or which someone prefers, you say, Je Charlotte. Je Charlotte. The formal or plural form is Je Charliv.
Hain is sometimes added for emphasis. Je Charlotte hain. What do you prefer? The formal or plural form is Je Charliv hain.
The word endings sa or sha are also used for emphasis. For example, Je Charlotte. What do you prefer? Je Charlotte. Je Charlotte. The polite or plural form is Je Charliefse.
Je Charlotte dien. Tea no coffee.
Sherlem koffie tapelet.
Illy, je Charlotte.
Coffee machet de holle.
Agus Sean at Vic. Je Charlotte loy.
Chanil mit jori Carl.
To say what or which you prefer, you use Charlum, followed by whatever it is you prefer. Charlum coffee. I prefer coffee. Charlum coffee. Charlum coffee.
Heen is sometimes added for emphasis. For example, Charlum heen sho. I prefer this. Charlum heen sho. Charlum heen sho.
The word ending sa is also used for emphasis. For example, Charlum sa shin. I prefer that. Charloomse shin. Charloomse shin.
Tellum and pepper show.
Charlam heen sin.
Ja, tellum midje de. Charlum some fellish na florichen.
Charloomse am fertlich na flurichen. I prefer the one with the flowers.